how to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So here's how we do it. You want to open up your Phantom Wallet app and log into your account. Now, once you have been logged in here, first you gotta buy some USDC. So from the list, I will just search for USDC, just like that, and you can purchase the amount which you want. Now, let's say that you have USDC. How can we actually buy meme coins? What we want to do is click on swap, and right here you will see all of these different meme tokens, and I'll just click on this button here and switch from USDC to Solana, and you can see all of these trending tokens. So for example, we have, well, I'm not gonna say them, but you can see them here on your screen. If I click on Solana, you can see all of these different meme coins as well. So let's say you want to purchase that one, you will just change from USDC to that meme coin, and you can obviously make the swap. So that's basically how you buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.